Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're back again to make some more alternates using the Daisy Daydream March 2025 paper pumpkin kit. This is a reminder of what the kit originally made and the cute box that it came in. Okay, before we get started on our projects today, we're going to go over some buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Inked Occasions paper pumpkin kit that makes 9 cards. Berry Burst is the classic stamping spot. Hugs of Bloom Dies add-on is available for $12. It's going to coordinate with April, May, and June paper pumpkin kits. The item number is 166238, and I do have a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. This is our March host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, do not use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up! And I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. Stay tuned next month and I'll tell you more about the new rewards program that we're going to be getting, because this is, again, the last month that I'm going to be using host codes. Mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up! Product. I'm asking just $30 for each box. Shipping is included. And if you're interested, email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Okay? And that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's go ahead and get started on our cards, because we are making 2 cards. They're almost the same, just flipped. So we have a card base of crushed curry, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. I've gone ahead and did my inside. I have mossy meadow, that is 5 by 3 3/4. Basic white, that is 3.5 by 4 3/4. I stamped a little bumblebee from the stamp set from the kit and added a strip of designer series paper. It's the back of a card base from the kit as well. So both the insides are decorated the same. And we have some mossy meadow here that is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And then we have 2 pieces of 1 card base. So this is the front of the card. This is the back of the card. This piece is 4 by 2 3/4. And this one is 4 by 2 1/2. And we're going to glue these on to, I'm going to use some Stampin' Seal. Oh, I had the measurements right there on the back. Good thing I remembered. Yeah, we're just gonna plop this down. This one is going at the top here. And I want to try to get an even border on all 3 sides here. I'm gonna make sure that that is not up far enough. That's why I wanted to use this Stampin' Seal. Because, it does release a little easier. Because that glue has a little wiggle room, but boy, when it's stuck, it's stuck. So I think I need to be about right there. Let's see before I press that down. Yep. Then we'll go ahead and put this down. I'm going to put this on here. Does it matter which way? It doesn't. But I'm gonna put that on just like that. Then I have a strip here of some mossy meadow that is a 1/2 inch, and I'm gonna cut it down to the 5 3/8. So I'm gonna adhere this down to our card front. And I'm going to put it more on the bottom part. And I'm going all the way to the edge of the mossy meadow. Okay. Then I'm going to take my paper snips. And we're going to cut that off. Okay. So that's as far as we get for that card. Nope, I'm sorry. I need some Stampin' Dimensionals because we have a flower to put on here. That is not dimensionals. Those are my insides for my cards. So let's get a Stampin' Dimensional. I'm going to put on the back of this little daisy here. And we're going to line it up with that daisy right there. Now, that is as far as we're going to get with that. Let's move on to the next card, which I told you is exactly the same. except for the pieces go opposite. So they're the same size as 2 3/4 by 4 for this image here. And this one is going to be, this is going to be the bottom, but let me make sure again that I have my, that's pretty good. I'm going to take this 2 1/2 by 4 piece from the back of that card base. So this one card is making 2 cards. I'm going to put that right about there, like that. And again, we have some mossy meadow that is 1/2 inch by 5 3/8. Well, we're going to cut it down to 5 3/8. Get that glue off my desk. Ooh. Sticky, sticky, sticky stuff. So this one, let's see. On this one, we can kind of put it more towards the flower side. Cut that off. I was trying to see if, make sure it was straight. Okay, so that one is going this way because that is the bottom of the card base. And we have another flower here. We're going to pop this up on the dimensional. Oop, that's the wrong size dimensionals. We need a mini. We're going to pop this up. We're going to put this. Oh, I like it like that. I was trying to make sure I will put it the way I want it to have it. So we're going to put that one right there. Okay. And now we can put these on their bases. And I probably need to use my liquid glue for this because I've already put Stampin' Dimensionals on the other side. So we're going to need to put some glue because the tape runner won't do too well running over that the dimensional. So we're just going to sit this down here. Ooh. Try to get it even. So we got both the cards to the same point now. And the rest of the card is going to be exactly the same, except for one is at the top and one is at the bottom. That's it. Okay, so now let's do some stamping. So we're going to get our sentiment labels from the kit. Oop, my little bee is trying to get its day. It's 15 minutes of fame. So we have our 2 labels. We're going to use Mossy Meadow ink and we're going to be stamping Happy Birthday. It's from one of the stamp sets. I can't remember if this is from the Daydream stamp set or the Happiest Hive stamp set that came in the kit. But there was 2 stamp sets in this kit this month because it is the anniversary of Paper Pumpkin. Okay, so we have those sentiments done. I want to put this on here like that. So let's turn this over. We're going to put that right there. We're going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals to hold that down. We're going to take this. Did I say I was stamping more to the right? Because we're going to need that over there for the placement of our little honeybees on here. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing with this one. We want to put our little honeycomb on this end here. Take those dimensional backs off. And this one is going to go across the top, about right there. Okay, and next we are going to add our little bee, just like this. So I'm going to get some liquid glue, put our honeybee on here. And I don't want much glue, just a little, because we don't want it squirting all out all over the place. We're going to put our little bee right there. We'll get the other one to do the second card He needs a honeybee as well. I'm going to put that right there, just like that. Isn't that cute? Okay, then I have some Winka Stella. And we're going to Winka Stella all the centers of our flowers. All of our little flowers here. And then the wings on our little honeybee. These might very well be bumblebees, but I'm honeybee, so they're going to be honeybees. Let's get these colored in. Shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. I love the Winka Stella. Okay, now we're going to do some faux glass dots, our bling. And this is the last thing we need to put on our card. So where's my take your pick tool? We're going to do some of this wild wheat. Even though this is crushed curry, we're doing wild wheat. I think I'm going to put them right here. Right along here. I'm going to put one small one. Just like that. Oh, that is super cute. I didn't have any idea where I was going to put these embellishments, and I like that. I'm happy I thought of it. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.